they make their way down through the system, and you've got very efficient control measures in place where it's going to far end, but there's no overflow at the end of our leak, so water stops unless you go down. So an additional go into it would actually swim back up the leak to rejoin the main river. So, but only at certain times of year do you need. Yeah.
Well, I bet that was horrible when it first started.
Well, do you remember? Did you see the footage? It did. It was like
Really bad building site.
and then
But now it looks.
look at it. It looks totally natural. You wouldn't even. You'd have trouble saying it's man-made. Just think out loud. And the nature.
But also we had to cut down 6 trees along the line of the leak when we built it.
But you planted a few more.
About 500. The planning authority thought that was about fair. Yeah. Clear out the weeds and dig out anything that needs to be removed.
There's quite big weeds in there, aren't there?
SMS Hydro.
Hey?
Aaron Simon Hydro.
People on the world making lots of little plants so that everyone has.
Oh, cool!
So there was probably a sort of 50,
Explosives.
20 metre stretch here that was was just horrendous to get through.
And blow the whole lot.
Yeah, I remember
really
the
long
tree on
time,
the
And it
slideshow.
was feeling a bit demoralising as well. Like, how far did we get today? That's cooked.
Yeah, it was just like it. And so we had to sort of change the route a little bit as well of the leak to make it easier to get through, but that did mean we had to build up this side, this bank basically.
Quite a bit.
So this is a lot more porous because it's been built up. So we've actually had to spray on concrete onto this inside here. It's called gunite.
Yeah.
You wouldn't necessarily know it was concrete. It's not like a concrete block wall.
No.
We pinned like a mesh onto the shape of the bank and sprayed.
You can tell by the texture.
So it's moulded to the shape of the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the moss is all growing on it.
The only thing you can tell by is the texture of the actual, some of the clearer
Yeah,
bits.
that's right. So there's about a 50 metre stretch which has got this going on it. But that's the only sort of lined bit, if you like, of the leak. And we worked as far as possible to avoid taking trees out. We go through proper woodland, so to narrow it down to 6 was quite good, but it meant we restricted our working area quite significantly.
Yeah.
So once the digger had dug that, there was to the end of the open leak. We started from the powerhouse and worked up with the pipe.
Was there any serious constraint that the Environment Agency put on when you were doing it? Did anything change from the original plan?
I think there's always going to be a compromise because they will determine the amount of water that you can abstract. It's what you think you might like.
You would like this.
And yeah, being in there so they know, what you're. Yeah, they can turn up. They've come out and actually electrofished the leaks have really stopped polluted rivers elsewhere because they've decided that it is a useful resource now.
What have they decided is a useful resource?
Basically because the fish eat here now, which is quite funny.
Just the technologically advanced method.
But but it's really positive for other schemes.
And today we're going to dynamite fish.
I can see more of these happening.
Yeah, because we're going to build them.
I think the whole energy thing though has to be more localised. I think we have to stop thinking about massive power plants and start thinking about little local.
I mean, the arguments that it's only going to power 6 houses or 20 houses or 100 houses. Exactly.
6 houses everywhere.
Yeah, quite.
And unobtrusive, totally environmentally friendly. No, I'm very good. I go diving. I don't steal.
Just put one in your pocket.
No, what you want is
You're coming home with me.
You know the bags you get for your
Finding Nemo.
So you know the bags you get for like your snorkel and the rib bags.
Yeah.
Take one of them down. You get lobster and crab back with them. We do it before. We've done it before. We've gone wreck diving and just nicked the fair sized lobster.
I would put a pollock in the pocket because there's hundreds of those, but you don't see lobster very often. So.
No, lobster you can get and then sell it back to one of the other divers. Do you want a lobster?
Where they grow them in Plymouth.
The hatchery.
The hatchery.
Yeah.
They work there.
Cool. Because it was set up by a